Welcome back. Today I'd like to talk to you about the importance of nonverbal communications for facilitators. Why is this important? Every study on this topic comes to similar conclusions, that over 90% of the meaning people derive from what we say comes through nonverbal cues. Or said another way, less than 10% of the meaning comes through the words themselves. Why is this important? Because I believe the cardinal rule of facilitation is to remain neutral. And if we are not very aware of the messages we're sending through our eyes and our face and our body, the tone of our voice, we could alienate people in the room without even realizing it through something no more or less than a shake of the head or a frown. So how can we as facilitators begin to leverage the nuance of nonverbal communications? I'd say it's easy to say and really hard to do because we live on the wrong side of our eyes to see ourselves as others do. And oh, by the way, the human face is capable of over 10,000 different facial expressions. How do we do this? Well, since we can't see ourselves, I'd suggest the way to do this is to begin to feel what it's like to have different expressions. Record yourself. Stand in front of a mirror. Create different facial expressions and to get really tuned into what does a frown feel like? What does a neutral expression feel like? Once you've begun to create that kinesthetic connection to your nonverbals, when you are in the middle of a session and you need to create a neutral body expression, you'll be able to tap into that and do so. And I promise you, when you most need it, you'll be glad you could. Thank you.